Hi all, welcome to this Cuisine. So today we are going to prepare a vegetarian recipe. This is made of very less ingredients and at the same time it is very simple and easy to make also. So first of all we have to heat a pan and into that we have to add our raw banana which is cut into very small pieces. Then we have to add Malabar Tamarind. Then we have to add the salt and some water. Cover it with a lid and let it cook for some time. Then you can add some green chilies and then the drumstick pieces and allow it to cook. Then you have to grind all these masalas like chili powder, turmeric powder, tomatoes and peanut. Grind into very smooth paste with some water. Then heat a pan, add some oil, then add the mustard seeds, let it crackle. Dry red chilies. Then you can add the grinded masalas paste. Stir it for a while. Let it cook till the raw smell goes off. And allow it to cook for a while. Once it is done, you can add the cooked raw banana drumstick pieces. Then stir it nicely. Cover it with the lid. Then if it's too dry, you can add some water. Don't add too much of water, just add some water to. Then cover it with the lid. Just taste. If salt is not sufficient, just add some salt and curry leaves. Your curry is ready to serve. You can serve it with either rice, chapatis, parathas, etc. Please do try this recipe and let me know your valuable comments. If you like my recipes, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.